In this tutorial, I'll be covering how to use some of the most commonly used mathematical functions. All right, so the first thing you want to do is make sure that you make a copy of this spreadsheet. So you've gotten to this spreadsheet already. This is in view only, so if you go to File, make a copy, it'll make a copy of it to your Google Drive. That way you become an owner of it, and then you can have you can manipulate it any way you want, basically. From there, if you go to this tab down at the bottom, I'm working off the Common Calculations worksheet. Now I've got averages, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. And with this I've got two different examples for both addition and subtraction. If you click in these cells, you can see that they've got a little tutorial and kind of explain what's going on. And then if you look further in these cells next to it, you can see the actual formula of what's going on in there. And I give a couple different examples. Now I give 3 different examples for multiplication and division. Each one kind of varies a little bit as they are some different functions. And then this one, the bottom ones for these do not use functions at all. It just uses the basic calculation of the operator right here. And then at the bottom we've got the average. And as you can see in here, I'm using the function, whereas at the bottom here I'm using a mathematical formula with making sure that I've got the order of operations going on here. Now, is this the best option? Probably not. It would be for a quick, simple calculation. I always kind of lean towards using the operator or the function. With that said, please dig around in this. Take a little bit of time to go through these tutorials on here. See what you like, what you don't like. If you have any feedback, go ahead and reach out to me. As always, thanks for watching this video. Please hit the like button. Also, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. That way, if new content's pushed out, you'll be the first to know. Thanks so much for watching and have a great rest of the day.